Today's video is all about people who do awesome things. Kindness always wins. Don't be indifferent to others. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'd be happy to respond to your comments below the video. Footage shows the two officers on Monday night rushing to the baby, who was left behind in a car seat and was crying when he was picked up by one of the officers and taken back with them.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Officers were told an unknown man had jumped into the mother's car and drove off with her 6-month-old baby still inside. It all started when the truck ahead of the author didn't have enough fuel for the last couple of feet to the gas station, so he asked for help to pull him to the gas station.
Hey, puppy.
On June 17th, several officers responded to the scene at a canal near 75th Avenue and Bethany Home Road for an animal welfare check.
Eric, try this. It's my wife's pumpkin muffins.
Oh, man.
Once they arrived, they found a German Shepherd swimming in the canal with no way of escape.
Yep.
Look what I got. Look what I got, puppies. Come here.
Here you go, bud. Good. Grab that freaking collar.
Yeah, let's go get that around his neck.
And we'll drag him up. Good.
It's gonna come off.
Use the. Right. Good boy. Give me that muffin. Muffin.
Good boy.
Yeah.
That's good. You want to put the collar down.
Here you go.
Don't put this in the handle.
Oh, there goes my muffin.
Hey, you saved the pooch, though.
The information on the dog's collar allowed us to contact the owner, who arrived on the scene shortly afterward. It turns out that the officer's wife also helped save the dog. I went for a quick ride around town during my lunch hour. There was this huge line of cars at this four-way stop. You can clearly see that the vehicle at the very front of the intersection was disabled.
Everything all right?
She's broken down. I need to get a friend over here to help her.
Okay, do you need help pushing it up?
Yeah, it's a load to push, though.
I'm sorry?
It's a big vehicle to push.
Yeah, so you don't think we can do it?
Poor guy was struggling to find a way to get his van out of traffic, and not a single soul was stopping to help.
Okay.
Don't forget
Let's go
that each of us can
backwards.
find ourselves in this
There we
situation.
go.
Where are you guys going so fast?
There you go. Thank you, sir. Alrighty. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it was just, it's pretty heavy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, hey, no worries. I know what's to be in a situation like that, so. Hey, they helped as well, so. Do you know what's wrong with it?
I don't.
No. Well, yeah, I mean, you probably.
There, this one. Thunk. Stop.
Good start, good place to stop too, so. Well, at least it's out of the way now, so.
All right. Well, I certainly appreciate it.
Yeah, do you need anything else? Do you just.
I'll just call a buddy of mine. He'll come and get me, and we'll figure out what to do with this thing.
Okay, perfect. Well, at least it's out of the way now, so. Alright, well, good luck, man.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
A motorcyclist was on his way to work when he noticed a woman in a wheelchair stuck on the side of the road. No one else was there to help her but the biker.
You need help with something?
I can travel very well. God, it's embarrassing. I swear. It's not hard. your equipment around here. I wish they had a bus service. They don't have bus service here. I'm used to Biloxi. Thank you so much. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
I'll get you over on the concrete so you can move better. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, you're
God bless
welcome.
you. Thank
You have a good day.
Have a good day.
Kindness always wins. Don't be indifferent to others. North Richland Hills Police in Texas used crowbars and saw to tear up the floor of a shed after Roxy, a 95-pound Rottweiler, was trapped underneath it after chasing a possum. Thankfully, the pup was uninjured during the ordeal, just hot and a little worked up from being stuck, police reported.
Hey, there you go.
Jeg er fucking vildt glad, fordi den er... på den lige. Thanks for watching. Support for this video would be greatly appreciated.